Hello students, today we are discussing about the remaining points of this chapter 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. In earlier video we discussed about the different types of pollination by air, by water and by insect. There are some specialty found in the flower which is pollinated by air, water and insect which we discussed. After landing pollen grain on the stigma, pollen pistil interaction found. What is actually pollen pistil interaction? Events from pollen grain deposit on the stigma to the entry of pollen tube. That means when pollen grain land on the stigma, if the right kind of pollen grain, right kind means compatible pollen grain, if land on the stigma, this stigma allow the formation of pollen tube. Otherwise, if the sterile type of pollen grain or incompatible pollen grain land on the stigma, this stigma not allowed the germination of pollen tube and entry of pollen tube into the ovule. That means compatible pollen grain only allowed for the growth of pollen tube, because right kind के pollen grain जब लैंड होंगे तभी स्टिग्मा स्पेशल टाइप का केमिकल रिलीज करता है by which the wall of the pollen grain degrade and it allow the formation of pollen tube. This is known as the pollen pistil interaction. How this pollen tube formed by the pollen grain? As earlier we discussed that pollen grain have two walls, exine and intine. In the exine there are some pore present known as the germ pore. By this germ pore, intine form the pollen tube. This pollen tube after formation enter into the ovule by the micropylar region. Earlier we discussed what is the micropylar region of the ovule. Okay, this pollen tube enter by the micropylar region. This interaction between the pollen grain and stigma is known as pollen pistil interaction. Okay, if right kind of pollen grain land on the stigma, then pollen tube form. Otherwise, pollen grains are rejected by the stigma. Artificial hybridization is a method of plant breeding in which the desired character obtained by artificially by crossing with two plants. There are some steps in artificial hybridization, that is emasculation, bagging and tagging. What is actually emasculation? Removal of anther in bud condition. जब बर्ड कंडीशन में होता है फ्लावर तभी एंथर को रिमूव कर दिया जाता है सो दैट टू गेटिंग डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर राइट काइंड के पोलन ग्रेन को हम वहाँ लैंड करवा सके. आफ्टर रिमूविंग this pollen anther from the bud, this bud is known as emasculated bud and process is known as emasculation. This emasculated bud is now covered by a butter paper or polythene to prevent the contamination of any type of pollen grain, because we have to land दैट मीन्स राइट काइंड के पोलन ग्रेन जो हम चाहते हैं वही पोलन ग्रेन हम स्टिग्मा पे लैंड करवाएंगे आर्टिफिशियली. इसलिए क्या करते हैं, बर्ड को कवर कर देते हैं बाय अ बैग और बटर पेपर. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज बैगिंग. emasculated flower covered with a bag, this is process is known as bagging. And at the time of pollination again this flower is, bird is rebagged and pollen grain when land on the stigma again it is covered to prevent the contamination of other pollen grain. This method is known as artificial hybridization to getting desired character in plant breeding program. Okay, when pollen grain land on the stigma and pollen tube form reach in the ovule. Here pollen tube reach in the ovule by the micropylar region. This pollen tube have two male gametes. When two male gametes release in the embryo sac, what happens? Double fertilization occurs. Double fertilization in angiosperm. What is actually double fertilization? Double fertilization is syngamy plus triple fusion. Two types of fertilization. When one egg fuse with the one male gamete, the process is known as syngamy. After syngamy, zygote is formed. The ploidy of the zygote is 2n. The zygote develops into embryo. See, this one male gamete when enter into the embryo sac fuse with the egg. Both the side of egg is synergid. The synergid degenerate after fertilization, and this one male gamete fuse with the egg. The process is known as syngamy. This egg now convert into zygote. Another male gamete when enter into the embryo sac fuse with the polar nuclei, which is already diploid cell. Another one male nuclei fuse, then it become triploid, 3n. That means second event of double fertilization is triple fusion, fusion of polar nuclei plus another male gamete. This is triple fusion because 3 nucleus यहाँ fuse होंगे. After triple fusion, PEN is formed, which have 3n ploidy. PEN primary endosperm nucleus, which further develops into endosperm. Endosperm is a tissue which gives nourishment to the developing embryo. So that first endosperm form, then embryo forms, because embryo need nourishment which is provided by the developing endosperm. एंडोस्पर्म जो कि नरिशिंग टिश्यू है, एम्ब्रियो को नरिश करता है. एंडोस्पर्म फॉर्मेशन में बी ऑफ टू टाइप्स. हाउ दिस एंडोस्पर्म फॉर्म? दिस central cell, it is the diploid cell, when convert into 3n PN, this central cell develops into endosperm by two ways: free nuclear endosperm and cellular endosperm. Free nuclear endosperm, first this nucleus divide and form 2 nucleus, again form 4 nucleus. That means no cell wall formation in between the nucleus. Continuously nucleus divide, and this cell is full of nucleus. This type of endosperm is known as free nuclear endosperm. Like water of the tender coconut is a type of free nuclear endosperm. Cellular endosperm, in which the nucleus of the PEN divide to form 2 nucleus, which is followed by the wall formation. That means nuclear division के बाद cytoplasm भी divide होगा. Again nucleus divide and form 4 nucleus. Again cytoplasm divide, it becomes cellular. This type of endosperm is known as cellular endosperm. Okay, after double fertilization, what are the different structures formed? Ovary totally converts into fruit wall known as pericarp. Ovule convert into seed wall known as testa and tegmen, which is protected by testa and tegmen. Zygote converts into embryo. PEN primary endosperm nucleus convert into endosperm, which gives nourishment to the embryo. Sometimes persistent nucellus found in some seeds. This persistent nucellus known as the perisperm, like in black pepper seed. पार्थेनोकार्पिक फ्रूट क्या होते हैं? पार्थेनोकार्पिक फ्रूट डेवलप्स विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. हियर वी सी कि फर्टिलाइजेशन के बाद ओवरी किस में कन्वर्ट होती है? फ्रूट में. इफ विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन डायरेक्टली ओवरी कन्वर्ट्स इनटू फ्रूट, दिस इज नोन एज पार्थेनोजेनेसिस, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ fruit known as parthenocarpic fruit. Like banana is a natural parthenocarpic fruit. Some types of grapes also parthenocarpic. Apomixis, seed without fertilization is known as apomixis. Fruit without fertilization is known as parthenocarpic fruit, and seed without fertilization known as apomixis. Polyembryony, occurrence of more than one embryo. Generally only a single embryo found in a seed, but sometimes occurrence of more than one embryo found in a seed. This phenomenon is known as polyembryony, like in oranges. This is all about the chapter 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. If you have any doubt, please ask. Here I will send you a worksheet. You have to solve the worksheet and prepare yourself accordingly.